In the fast-paced world of online marketing, understanding marketing funnels is key. Today, we'll take a deep dive into a comprehensive crash course on business and online marketing. First, we'll debunk the myth that marketing is just about shouting your message everywhere. Instead, we'll explore the importance of empathizing with the customer's journey. Next, we'll unveil the 5 crucial steps of a marketing funnel: awareness, consideration, conversion, loyalty, and advocacy. Each stage offers a strategic roadmap for marketers. From creating brand awareness to delivering value through various channels like Instagram ads and website content, we'll guide you through the customer's decision-making process. Learn how to enhance sales with e-commerce incentives, engage through WhatsApp, and build long-lasting relationships with personalized emails and ads. Furthermore, understanding the 5 stages of a marketing funnel is crucial for a successful marketing strategy. Let's explore each stage in more detail. 1. Awareness. This initial stage focuses on creating brand awareness. Marketers employ various channels such as social media, ads, and content marketing to make potential customers aware of the brand's existence. The goal is to reach a broad audience and generate interest. 1. 2. Consideration. At this stage, potential customers start considering the product or service. They delve deeper into exploring what the brand offers. Content like product descriptions, reviews, and comparison guides becomes crucial. The aim is to provide valuable information that aids decision-making. 3. Conversion. The conversion stage is where potential customers make the leap to becoming actual customers. Strategies here include providing compelling offers, seamless purchasing processes, and personalized incentives. The focus is on turning interest into a transaction, too. 4. Loyalty. Post-purchase, retaining customers and building loyalty becomes the priority. Marketers use tactics like personalized communication, loyalty programs, and exclusive offers to keep customers engaged and encourage repeat business. 5. Advocacy. Advocacy is the final stage where satisfied customers become brand advocates. Through positive experiences, customers voluntarily promote the brand to others. Referral programs, social media sharing, and testimonials play a significant role in turning customers into advocates. 4. Understanding and strategically implementing these stages empower businesses to guide potential customers seamlessly through the marketing funnel, ultimately fostering brand growth and customer loyalty. Finally, we'll challenge you to think beyond traditional sales methods and create a holistic experience for your audience. By implementing these insights, you'll not only grow your business, but also transform how you engage with your customers. Get ready to amp up your marketing game. This crash course is about to take you to new heights. Let's dive in. But wait, we're not done. If you're enjoying this video or if you've learned something new, give us a thumbs up. Your likes let us know we're on the right track and help other entrepreneurs discover our channel. As we wrap up, a big thank you to our subscribers for being part of the Top Tips for Entrepreneurs family. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join us on this exciting journey. Until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep building those dreams. See you in the next video.
I hope this video has inspired you to start your own small business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more videos on how to start and grow your own business, achieve financial freedom, and live your best life. Thanks for watching.